Thought I'd share the chicken coop build that I did. It's not a how-to video because I took the long way around on this one. Anyway, give you some ideals. Two by four door. I used the 2x4 screen. It was heavy duty, but I had to put the smaller chicken wire around the bottom so the chickens wouldn't get out when they're little. I made the hooks out of coat hangers. As you can see, they work the doors, and I have an inside door. This door is 7/8 plywood, makes it stiff. The slatting or trim pieces, whatever you want to call them, that is, I bought some picket fence repair pickets, and that's what I trimmed everything out with. Just a regular tin roof on the top. Have a vent in the back, and that's the cover for it. Once again, just a coat hanger. That's the regular water, and the feeder I got off Thingiverse and printed with a 3D printer. It's got fins in it to where the chickens can't get in it, and it seemed as if when I hung the feeder and the water, they didn't get in it as much. When it was just on the ground, they would climb right in it and it would get nasty. Anyway, the build, it's 5 foot this way with an 8 foot run. I have it put on 4x4s, treated 4x4s with a small angle. That way I can pull it and move the chickens when I want to. The roof, however, is a 8x12. I have plenty of overhang, that way I'm not so wet around my doors and things, so I'm not walking in mud. I only plan on having about 6 chickens. I only got 3 right now. I hope this helps someone else with their build. Thanks for watching.